Hi there, I'm Mark Sebastian, the founder of OptionPit.com, and this is the AM Volatility Report. Well, reminder, this is for educational purposes only. None of this should be construed as investment advice. Consult your financial professional. Options have risk. Well, non-farm payrolls are out, and the market is up 13, and the VIX is back down toward 12. Just an absolute drubbing of the VIX today. Down nicely. VIX-MO, which is the other one, is also down big. VIX futures are down big. And really kind of everything is down all the way out to February of next year. There's been some big sellers of premium. You can see VVIX is now at 80. That's the cheapest it's been in a while. So if I pull up a chart of VIX, that's not what I need. There's that daily chart of VIX, right back to whence it came. Now, VVIX may take a second. VVIX is kind of near 6-month lows. All right, so, and this has been a level that people have been willing to trade in terms of buying. Anywhere below 80 has been, has meant VIX volatility has been too cheap. It has tended to trade off of that. With the VIX down, one can see that the ETPs are getting smoked. UVXY is down $1.15. VXX is down big. Even bonds are down because the Fed ain't going to be raising rates. Bonds are down a little bit. Kind of weird, but that's the way bonds have been. How about Tesla just getting absolutely slaughtered on cash flow news? And it's only going to get worse with this merger between itself and SolarCity, which is an absolute disaster. But, you know, this has been about a level where people have started to take interest in Tesla, this $200 level. So, at least the last 6 months, but it can get lower, and it might. Especially if there's a fear of a cash crunch. Tesla could move a lot lower. Now, moving on to our FANG stocks. Those are looking pretty nice today. Apple's up nicely. Amazon is up 0.5%. Apple up almost 1%. Facebook up almost 0.5%. Google over 0.5%. Nice move there. All those names are moving up bullishly. XLU, which is the utilities, up nicely. Those had gotten, if you look at a chart of utilities, they had gotten plastered, and the vol had gotten really big. XLF, on the other hand, had a really nice run. It's a continuous run, but you know, it should, XLF of any of them should be the lagger relative to the other indexes. I'm expecting a nice little pop out of utilities and consumer staples today, XLP. And you can see XLP's up 1%. Utilities are up 1.5%. Meanwhile, and energy's up over 1%. Meanwhile, some of the other, you know, the financials and technology are not up as much. So we're getting led by the interest rate sensitive names today. I would also point Transpose, IYT, continues to be up nicely. That thing has been booming. After getting smoked, it's been on a pretty aggressive run. And then Alibaba, a name we're going to look at in chat, has been on a tear as well. So we're watching these. We're keeping a tight eye on these, on some of these names to see, you know, what's going to lead. But I'm going to be watching for financials be weak, and we've got G20 this weekend. Vol could fall out more if there's rumors of stimulus. Okay. If you got questions, you can email me, mark@optionpit.com. You can call me 888-TRADE-01. Today looking like a day that we could have a very strong rally. I will talk to you guys soon. Have a good one.